Hello everyone, welcome back. In the first video, I have explained the basic concept of decision making, and in this video, I will explain the importance of decision making. The first one is better utilization of resources. Resource utilization, usually expressed as a percentage, can help managers understand how to allocate resources effectively. So teams can maintain optimal productivity throughout a project. Managers may be this metric to make decisions about project schedules or budgets. And the second one is business growth. In business growth involves strategic decision making at every step. It includes choices related to expanding markets, diversifying products, and optimizing operations and managing resources. It's crucial for leaders to assess options, set goals, and make informed choice to drive sustainable growth. And the third one is achieving objectives. To achieve objectives, clearly outline the goals you want to achieve with your decision. This provides a clear target for your decision making process. Collect relevant data, facts, and information related to the decision. Generate multiple possible solutions or courses of actions. Consider the pros and cons of each option. Assess each option against your objective. Consider factors like potential risks, costs, and benefits. And the fourth one is teamwork. Teamwork is very important. Teamwork plays a significant role in decision making. Teamwork brings together individuals with diverse background, skills, and experience. Teams can engage in brainstorming sessions where members openly share ideas and solutions. Team can provide checks and balance. Member can challenge each other's assumptions and viewpoints. Team can apply problem solving techniques collectively, which can lead to effective solutions. Effective teamwork promotes open and transparent communication. And the fifth one is increases efficiency. Start with a well-defined understanding of the problem or opportunity and the specific objectives you aim to achieve through the decision. It enables you to identify problems, evaluate options, and choose the best action to resolve issues efficiently. As a result, you can save time, reduce risk, reduce cost, and improve productivity, which can benefit your team and organization. And the sixth one is facilitate innovation. In facilitate innovation, depending upon the nature, complexity, and urgency of decision, you may need to use different methods to facilitate collaboration and innovation. Some of the common methods include brainstorming, mind mapping, voting, ranking, and prototyping and testing. And the seventh one is motivates employees. Motivating employees to participate in decision making in management can lead to increased engagement and communication and better outcomes. Maintain open and transparent communication. Keep employees informed about the company's goals, challenges, and decisions that affect them. Create a culture where constructive feedback is encouraged. This helps employees learn from their decision and improve. And the last one is solving problems in management. Solving problems in management through effective decision making is crucial for success of any organization. Clearly define the problem you are facing. Understand its scope, impact, and root causes. Be prepared to adapt if circumstances change or if the chosen solution does not yield the expected results. Encourage leadership skills among your team members. A collaborative approach can lead to more effective problem solving. Thank you everyone. In the next video, we'll be covering types of decision making. Thank you.